So in this video I'm going to cover a very important topic, which is why should I learn Python. So basically Python is a language, a programming language. So if you are new to programming, it's quite a very easy language to grasp and understand very fast. So it doesn't have that kind of like a programming stress through it. So basically the syntax is very simple. It's almost quietly equal to English, right? Just speaking English. If you actually add a little words in between the syntax, you can actually read it as a meaningful line. So that's Python, and that's how elegant and simple Python is. It's also powerful. So we are going to discuss some 10 most important features of Python. So stay tuned. So the first feature is that it's very popular. So it's as popular as PewDiePie and T-Series battle. So just a comparison. So and it's kind of like the very intensive language, which means it's used in data science, it's used in artificial intelligence, it's used in machine learning, it's used in automation. And if you want to see how powerful it is, I would like to say that Google and YouTube are made of Python. So imagine that level of intensity. So the second thing is you earn a lot. So an average Python developer actually earns around $40,000 per month. So that's like, 1 second, it's somewhere around 28 lakhs in Indian rupees. So I'm in India. If you are, hit the like button right now. So the second feature is Python is earning. So and third feature is it's used in data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. So these are like developing industries of the computer science engineering department, and they are like nook and corner. So these things are going to be future. Like, how often do you have to segregate between spam mails now? It's like this. It's like the computer does it automatically for you. So automation and artificial intelligence is used in everyday life. How many of you use Google Translate? That's also made of machine learning. So these are like provident industries which will come up in the future, and Python is a very important language for that. So the third thing, is it the third? No, it's the fourth. So the fourth thing is it's easy again. So it's very easy to learn, and as I said, it's almost quite similar to reading English, and it's very elegant and simple, and people call it the most beautiful language because at a glance you can actually understand a whole program. It's like that simple, and it's also very beginner friendly, which means that if you're starting Python, a quick tip, if you're starting Python, check out my Python playlist right there in the iCard. So if you're wondering where to start, anyway, so it's starting friendly, which means that if you start now, you can actually get going with Python in around 2 months or so. So it's that easy, and so it's compatible with different frameworks such as Django, Flask. If you're wondering what are these are like website development frameworks which are based on Python. So they actually help you to develop website with the help of coding, not actually the old-fashioned HTML and CSS. So you need HTML and CSS background for that, but still the server side is completely managed by Python, and it's as simple as that. So the sixth point is that Python is cross-platform. So it's not like some programming languages like Swift that you need Mac OS or you need Windows to run this programming languages. So you can actually run Python on Linux also. So, and if you want an intense level, people have run Python in phones. So it's like that cross-platform and graspy. It can actually adapt to any operating system. You just need the libraries and all sorts of stuff. So seventh thing is that it has many resources. So if you are beginning to learn Python, there are many resources like the official documentation or tutorials, or you want subreddit pages or Quora or Stack Overflow. There are like billions of resources if you want to learn Python. So at last, these are things that you can narrow Python to. It's simple, it's popular, it's earning, it's fast, it's reliable, it's cross-platform, and it's beginner friendly. So those are 7 tips that every beginner who wants to start with Python should know. If you want to start with Python now, check out the playlist in the iCard. See you in the next video.